Setting up your employees with new technology means they're getting the latest and greatest, but it can be challenging for IT. The time it takes to set up each device individually adds up and leaves you open to more human error. Using Microsoft Intune and Windows Autopilot, Panasonic Connect's TOUGHBOOK cloud deployment service changes the game. When one state agency wanted to roll out new software to tablets that workers were already using throughout the state, they found that their IT team didn't have the resources to physically visit each site to install the software. Our experts worked with IT to understand requirements and put together a plan. The result? A fast, scalable way to roll out new software to employees. Cloud deployment using Microsoft Intune allows you to remotely deploy and manage software updates and security patches on your devices, wherever they are. With control over automatic updates, remote management, two-factor authentication, and device lockdown, IT can ensure devices are always up to date and secure, minimizing the risk of downtime, data loss, and security breaches, while maximizing device uptime and productivity. So whether you're deploying brand new computers or working to maintain existing ones with software updates and security patches, we've got your back with our cloud deployment services.